Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to my channel. So let me just let you know really quick that this is my third time filming this look. Third time. 3 times. So hopefully third time is a charm. I didn't like the first one, so I did it again, and I definitely didn't like the second one. So here we are again at 10:33 at night, and we are gonna try to get this look done. Jayana's in here. She's on her laptop. She's making a lot of noise in the background. I'm probably gonna hurt her. So let me show you the look we're doing today. We are going to be doing Sadness from the movie Inside Out. So this is Sadness. Okay, great. So we're gonna be doing her. Whew, I know I look crazy right now, but listen, from the first time and from the second time, I've learned a trick or two. So I have to look like this because after I get all this makeup and stuff on, it's hard to get this turtleneck on. So I have to do the video with it on so that blue is not everywhere. It's been a whole process. Trust me. Let's go. So right here, I'm just about to spray my face so we can prepare our skin for everything that we are about to pile on. And I got just a little carried away with the spray. And then next, I'm just going to go ahead and put this airspun powder all over my face because we are going to be putting down a paint on our face and I don't want it to be moving all around. So I'm going to put this powder on just to prepare for that. And now moving on to eyebrows. We are going to be doing her eyebrows later, and she has little cute upside down eyebrows. So we have to kind of get rid of ours, and the best way to disguise your eyebrows, which I've learned from watching tons of tutorials, is to brush them up with a spoolie, and then once you get them as up as you can get them, then you're going to glue them down so that they stick to your face, and then you can cover them up with powder later, and then that way we can manipulate the brow we want for whichever look we're going for. And then of course you're just going to toss some powder on there, well, pat some powder on there so that they can kind of melt away. And now for the fun part, we're just gonna take this turquoise light blue color from our Wet n Wild paint palette, and we're just going to cover our whole face using this color. And it's pretty easy and self-explanatory from this point. It's just very repetitive, and you just got to make sure that you have the coverage that you want. So I won't talk you to death. I'll let you just go ahead and watch. And then I'm just gonna go around the outer layer of my face. Outer layer. I'm just gonna go around the outer perimeter of my face with this dark blue paint, kind of give it some definition, some shadow, and kind of shape it a little bit because she does have this like really cute brown face. Didn't really work out for me, but you know, I'm still learning. I'm still figuring things out, but you know. And now I'm just going to try to attempt to do her little brown little cute button nose. So that's what you're going to see me doing in the next few clips. And I'm just going to keep being repetitive, going over the circle, blotting it out, going over the circle. This look is very repetitive. I'm telling you, my wrist was hurting. And now for those eyebrows that I was telling you about at the beginning of this video, this is what we're going to be doing now. We're going to try to get our brows as close to how her brows are. And I kept referencing the picture just so I could get it right, because in my last look it was horrible, god awful. It was all bad. And so from here on out, we're just going to put this blue lipstick on, do a few touch-ups, and spray paint our hair. And then this look is finito! the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. That way you are notified every single time I upload a video. I hope you really like this. Finally, I think this one is the one that I like. This is the one that you're probably seeing. So third time is definitely a charm. Don't give up. Keep trying until you get it right. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Peace.